I'm flipping. Sorry. I'm not trying to flip. I'm just trying to blend. So mad that my battery dies so fast. Maybe if you didn't leave it on for 20 years, it would work out better for y'all. Ever thought about that, Ant? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ant. If you are new around here, basically all I do on the— oh my god. Calm down. Calm down, illness. Basically all I do on this channel is I play in makeup. I'm awkward as fuck. I shop too much. And I might talk a little shit. So if those are things that you find yourself interested in or do or want to be a part of, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Be a part of this beautiful gang. Who wouldn't want to be a beautiful person? I'm just saying. And if you are not new around these parts, hey boo. So I know I've been posting a lot about Valentine's Day because, you know, Valentine's Day is my jam. I've already discussed this in prior video. And this look just came up on my Pinterest and I was like, you know what? That is so cute and creative. I like that. Let's try it. So that's basically what we're gonna do. This very cute Valentine's Day look. Now listen, I'ma cheat a lot in doing this look because your girl is creative, but I ain't got the artistic skills, my guy. So without further ado, this look is inspired by— let's just get to it. Gun hands. Yeah. I want to try and make this look go by super fast because my lunch break is only so long. So, you know, let's get into it. I'm going to be using this Lust palette for this look. It's got all the colors I need, and since the eye is very neutral and damn near simple looking— it's always simple looking, that don't mean that it is. we're just gonna use this palette so I don't have to keep bouncing back and forth between palettes, you dig? So just for funsies, I'm gonna go in with FETISH and I'm just gonna rub that all over the eyebrow. Oh my god, girlfriend. The eyeball. I'm gonna rub it all over my eyeball. That's what I meant. If you don't know, I remix a lot of these looks. Like, they never come out the way that they do in the pictures, but they're very similar. And then sometimes last minute, I just decide that I'm gonna switch it. Hello. I forgot even what I was saying, so we're just gonna go back to pretending like I wasn't saying anything. I wanna try and use all the products that I got off of my last Shein haul looking thing. So whether I like it or not, this is what I decided to use. Gotta stick to my word, man. These oh my gosh, words, man. These brushes are really soft, really soft. That's all I'm gonna say. This look is so pretty. It's also so perfect. So if you follow me on my Instagram, what I was gonna do with this look, back up Satan, I'm trying to talk. What I was gonna do with this look is I was going to do a kind of like a rating thing. So everyone's been young, of course, duh. But, and also everyone's had like a celebrity crush, right? That crush that was super popular and obviously super famous, and you swore to yourself that when you get older, that's gonna be your bae. That's gonna be your husband, or your wife. That's who you're gonna be with for forever. I couldn't be the only weird kid around the block doing this, okay? I know there are some of you out there, but that's what I swore up and down that I was gonna do. And because my attention span is so short, I don't know how else to put it, I would always have a new husband like every other week. It didn't change as I got older. I lose interest very fast. I'm definitely one of those people to where I can have a crush on you and be like, oh my god, he's the one. I love him so much, us forever. And then a week later, I have no interest in you whatsoever. But I was gonna do a video with this look in talking about that, but how shitty a lot of them have become. Like, you get older and you realize, wow, they're actually a terrible person. I got a reading, and in that reading it said basically just to mind my own fucking business. So here we are, minding our own fucking business. I'm gonna go in with the shade Bourbon from that Lust palette, and I'm just gonna dab that on the outsides. I'm inventing my own term of neutral. I'm also gonna rub some of that into my crease too. Do you see the difference? I do. Thus, I shall continue to perform said makeup look. rubbing my creases. Okay, are we digging it? Kind of, sort of. We'll see at the end, right? We'll figure this out. I'm reaching for things and grabbing nothing at the same time. Get it together. So now I'm gonna go in with my thing. We're gonna attempt to crease. Does this person crease in this look? Probably not, but we're going to try. Again, remixing, because I can't ever do things just simple and right. They always gotta have a little something different. Luna, darling, where are you? No, for real, where are you? I can't find you for shit. This is too close. I don't like that one. I don't like the mirrors that get so close to your face that you kind of go blind before you can see. I don't like that. It's giving too much in my bubble. So I'm gonna use this mirror over here. This is one of the reasons why I hate creasing, is because I have to look surprised while I apply. And it's only adding wrinkles. I never understand how the people make this look so frickin' simple. So simple, man. And of course I added too much. I forgot I was making a TikTok. Shoot. Okay, I'm back. I so forgot I was making a TikTok right in this moment of all moments. Watch this eye come out better. Watch it do what it's supposed to do. As watching Bob's Burgers, I will not apologize. If you know what that is, you know what that is. What did I say? What did I say? I said it's gonna come out better, and it did. I'm gonna pat it so it doesn't look so cakey, because it looks very cakey to me. What the funk, man? What the funk? So now we're gonna go back into that Lust palette, and we're going to use the Nude shade. I'm kind of blend it. Let's do some cleanup. You know, clean this up a little bit. Get it together here. I don't even think we're looking very similar to the picture at this point at all. If anything, we're just gonna take parts of that picture and apply it. It is really bugging me at how harsh this is looking on this eyeball. Get it together. Get it together, man. Better? I hope so. Okay, where's that blending brush? Clean that bad pop off and just kind of blend it. Hopefully, we're gonna try. Blend everything together. Oh yes. I don't know if you can see it up close, but it's coming together. Okay, so I think this is coming together pretty well. Now we're gonna go and I'm gonna curl my little stubs and put my mascara on, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump into the face. Why do I forget that? It's not that hard. Curling my stubs. Don't worry about this concealer that I got on this lash curler. It's only there because I was trying to do a little creasing trend where they're like, yeah, just take your eyelash curler and put concealer on top and then place it on your eye and boom, you've got the perfect crease. And I tried it and I utterly failed. Very humiliating. Oh mercy, these brushes are not gonna pass this foundation test. I can feel it in my soul.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Whew, I forgot I was wearing a white shirt, so I'm like, don't touch! Okay, so now we're gonna get to the cheating part, okay? This is where I'm gonna put the stickers on my face because she's got hearts on her face. I can't do that. So I'm just gonna take these little stickers that I got from good old Target. I'm gonna put them on places on my face. Oh, these are so cute. And then when I'm done with these, I'll just end up giving them to my daughter anyway, so it's a win-win for somebody. I think I'm gonna go with this sheet. And I'm just gonna take the stickers and I'm just gonna put them randomly all over my face. Mainly because I don't want them to be exactly like how she has hers. I would rather just, you know, free balls it and just put them wherever. What? Get off my finger! Okay, cool. I really pray this works out. I really do. I don't want this to go to be wasted. Where the hell am I going? Oh, right here, I guess? I don't know. But more tiny ones. Now that I got stickers all over my face looking like a whole kindergarten project, we're gonna go back into that Lush palette and we're going to use the shade Erotic. And I'm just gonna take that and I'm just gonna place it over the stickers we just put all over our face. Just gotta trace them around. Should I use this? I'm gonna try this blending brush instead. Like there's a lot going on with this look and we're just gonna pray for the best. I'm pretty sure it'll come out fine. I'm probably over exaggerating. I'm sure it'll come out fine. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these on here for a little bit because now we gotta move on to the freckles. For the freckles, I'm using that E.L.F. in this shade Coffee, and I'm just gonna put them sporadically all over my face. Again, that word, it's supposed to be freckles. Let's pretend.
You need to leave.
Whoop, I'm flipping, sorry. I'm not trying to flip, I'm just trying to blend. Stop, just stop, Aunt, stop. Now that we're done with the freckles, I'm gonna leave these on my face for a little bit because just because. And then with that same, this freckle thing that we just used, I'm gonna make a quick little like liner. Nothing too deep, nothing too serious. I'm praying right now. You may not know it, but I'm praying. Okay, we're not looking too bad. We're not looking too bad. I say we're not looking too bad. I was debating heavily on whether I should use these lashes with the pink tips or just stick with the edges, and I think I'm just gonna stick with the edge lashes. I'm not sure that's what they're called, but that's what I'm gonna call them. Oh my word, let's go. Ah, I'm gonna break these. I don't wanna break them. Great, now I gotta snip. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. My favorite part is obviously the hearts on my face. I think they're so cute. The freckles add a little bit of, you know, a little schmear to it. I don't know what that means, but it's pretty to me. I like it. I think this look overall came out really nice, really good. If you like this look or this video, go ahead and leave a like, you know. That'd be cool. That'd be real cool if you did. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Go ahead and join this beautiful ass gang and become an even more beautiful person. Anyways, I will catch you next time. Oh, I got lipstick on my teeth. I really like this look. I think it is a beautiful representation of Valentine's Day. That was my daughter running by. She has no fucks to give. I feel like my eyeshadow could have came out better if I had used primer, but I was in a rush and I'm really not going anywhere. So if I don't blink, it'll be fine. But yeah, dinner date, I don't think so, but just for funsies, yeah, I think this look is really cute and it came out really nice. But as always, let me know what you think down in the comments below. You know, it didn't hurt. You know, drop a comment, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification button because I still don't know what days to really post. I don't know if it should just be a Monday thing and a Wednesday thing, a Wednesday and a Friday thing, Friday, Saturday. I don't know. I just post when the inspiration hits me. But yeah, hit that, make sure you hit that notification button. Damn, I can't talk for shit, bro. Make sure you hit that notification button so it'll let you know when I upload. It's always gonna be around the same time, just don't know what day. We'll figure it out later. Anyways, I'll catch you next time, boo. Bye.